What is a Microsoft Sentinel? Microsoft Sentinel is a cloud native a SIEM and a source solution. So what exactly this Microsoft Sentinel does? So it helps the organizations to detect, investigate, and respond to different kinds of cyber threats in real time by collecting and analyzing the data across the various sources, right? So we are going to talk about more about the Sentinel. So before that, so we are saying that it's a cloud native SIM. So what does the cloud native means in general? In general, cloud native refers to an application or services that are built specially to run in the cloud. So they are designed to take the full advantage of the cloud computing models such as scalability, flexibility, and seamless integrations with the other cloud services, right? So these are the benefits we see from a cloud native, right?